Pigs make me sneeze. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want, yes, a what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Cat's not achoo. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! And Piggie goes flying. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald... No, do not speak. It is too late. And Piggie puts on a helmet. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick. Thank you, Dr. Cat. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.